In this video, we will discuss compound interest. In most situations, we pay interest not just on the principal, but the entire balance owed. This is called compound interest. After a certain point, a certain period, the interest earned so far is credited to the account, and the sum earns interest during the next period. If $1,000 is deposited in an account at 2% simple interest for 5 years, the future value of the account will be $1,100. If instead the interest is compounded annually, the future value of the account is $4.08. Earned interest is not always added to the account annually. It may be credited semi-annually, monthly, weekly, or daily. This time interval is called the compounding period. The formula to find the future value of an account with principal P, interest rate R, compounded n times per year over t years is A equals P times 1 plus R over n raised to the nt power. For example, find the future value and interest earned for $3,419 at 2.1% interest compounded monthly for 30 months or 2.5 years. Here, P is 3,419, R is 0.021, N is 12, and T is 2.5. So A equals P times 1 plus R divided by N raised to the NT power. That's 3,419 times 1 plus 0.021 over 12 to the 12 times 2.5 power, or 3,419 times 1 plus 0.021 over 12 raised to the 30th power, which is about $3,603.13. The interest earned is $184.13. We just subtract the original amount, the principal, from the future value. If we instead put $12,450 in the bank at 3% compounded quarterly for 5 years, we have A equals P, we have the same equation, and it comes out to $14,456.74, and we've earned $2,006.74 in interest. If we know the future value and want to find the principal, we use the formula P equals A over 1 plus R over N to the NT. For example, Ashley will need $40,000 in 5 years to help pay for her college education. What amount deposited today at 3% compounded quarterly will produce the necessary amount? A is 40,000, R is 0.03, N equals 4, and T equals 5. So P is 40,000 divided by 1 plus 0.03 over 4 raised to the 4 times 5 power, and that gives us $34,447.59. If she deposits that now, she'll have $40,000 in 5 years.